Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be DIYing a bunch of clothes that I never wear. I have these shorts in mind that I really want to DIY. It's these shorts right here. I talked about them in my last video and I just really want to DIY them because they're so cute and we're going to be doing that today. Alright friends, things you will need for this DIY. A pair of jeans you never wear. These are the jeans that I'm going to be using for this DIY. You will need some scissors. You'll also need ribbon. I'll be using these pink satin shoelaces. You're also going to need grommet and a grommet tool. This is the one that I have. It is from Amazon. It is this tool. Honestly, it doesn't really work that good anymore. It needs to be like filed, but I don't know how that works for these. But yeah, let's get started with this DIY. I feel like it really isn't going to take that long to do. So let's get to it. What I'm a little bit nervous about is cutting the shorts because I don't want them to be too short. And I know the image is like a micro shorts. I'm not gonna make mine that short because, you know, I don't like showing my booty anymore. Those days are over. Those days are long gone. So yeah, I'm gonna look at the image again. Get a feel of what the shorts are gonna look like. So the leg does have like a little curve to them. I am gonna cut it a little bit longer than like what I actually want because I don't want them to be too short. Like that's like my main thing. If you cut too much, you can't like just sew it back on. See, I'm gonna do one side first and then fold it over and then just cut it. Guys, I'm nervous! Everyone quiet on set. I think these are too short. I already know they're too short. Oh no. Yeah, I feel like they might already be too short. Shoot. Okay, well, whatever. We're gonna go with it. So I cut the shorts and I feel like they might be a little too short. They look short. So let's try them on and I'm praying that they're not too short. Because I also wanted to like hem them a little bit so they don't fray. If not, I think it'll be fine if I don't like hem them. They're cute. I really think they're cute, but I'm worried. So let's try them on. The shorts are on and honestly, they're really not that short. So this is what the shorts look like. I'm not gonna hem them because if I do hem them, then they will be too short. Right now, they're at the perfect length that I'm comfortable with. So we're just gonna go with it. Okay? We're gonna go with it. Cut the side seams of the shorts. I'm gonna be adding 3 grommets. I don't know about 3 actually. The inspo shorts only have like 3 or 2 grommets, but since my shorts are a little bit longer, I think I might need like 1, 2, 3 or 4 grommets on each side. So we're gonna test that out right now. I'm excited. Added the grommets on this side. And it looks so good, but unfortunately the footage got deleted because my camera overheats and then it like deletes the footage. So I'm so mad, honestly. But luckily I have this side that I could still do. So I'm gonna do that and hopefully, please camera, do not overheat. It overheats and then it deletes my footage. It deletes my footage, so that's not nice. But look, doesn't it look so good? So I did end up doing 4 on each side and I feel like it's just perfect. So please camera, Do not do this again. It is looking so stinking adorable. Do we like? Did the grommet on all sides. Isn't it so cute? And I haven't even added the ribbon yet. So the last thing we need for this DIY is to add the shoelaces on the side. You could do any color, but I really like the pink. So we're gonna try that and see how it looks.
Oh, yeah.
The shorts are completely done. They are my absolute favorite. They look so adorable. The only thing, I'm like, should I dye the blue stitching pink? Like, I feel like the blue stitching is throwing me off with the pink ribbon. But other than that, because there's also like blue stitching in the butt, I just don't know how I would dye it. Maybe with like a marker. I'm so excited with these shorts. Can't wait to wear them. I want to show you guys what they look like on. I am so obsessed with them. Also, you can adjust the sides, which is so lovely. I love that. They just look so cutesy. They are a little big. They're a little bit big, but it's okay. They're still so freaking cute. Yay! Hi guys, it is the next day and we're going to be doing another DIY. This is a DIY we're going to be doing. I've been wanting to do this DIY for a long time. I have a ton of swimsuits that I never wear. So if you also have swimsuits that you want to spice up, this is the perfect DIY. Wait, should we do a little outfit of the day? Alright, let's do a little OOTD. I'm wearing this Virgen de Guadalupe little tube top. So cute. I love her. Love her. And then I'm wearing these little like capri pants that are so perfect. I'm so obsessed with them. I just love this look. But it looks kind of silly with socks, doesn't it? Just ignore the socks. Anyway, let's get to the DIY. Alright friends, I ordered some patches from Amazon that we're gonna look at together. Let's see if they're cute. Let's see if they're not. Okay, these are cute. They're cute. I'm going for like, hold on, the camera's like a little, there we go. I'm going for like a little like rock and roll retro vibe. I don't know if that makes any sense, but let's see. What we got. Okay, so we have a bunch of red and black patches. We got a little martini, really cute. We got a little thing. We have a little kissy kiss. We have a little, what is this? Young and in love little patch. We got a little heart with a star. We got a little hand heart, right? A little cherry. A little black star. A little I love bats. I don't know what that means. A little I love me patch. A 8-ball. A little red star. A little 8-ball cherry. A little camera. A little I love New York. A little kissy. A little no cell phones. A little... Ooh, a little... What is this? A little bear with headphones. A little ace card. A little meow cat. Ah. I'm excited. They're all so cute. I have a box full of swimsuits that we're gonna go through. This is the box in question. Let me move you guys a little down and excuse my socks. We'll be okay. Okay. Ugh. These pants are tight, guys. They're way too tight for me. They're just way too tight. Okay. So, let's see. Blue. I'm not looking for blue. I'm looking for like something red or black. White. I think... Can you guys even see? Whatever. I think I'm gonna patch up this little gingham. Gingham? Gingham? Cannot say that word. Gingham? Yeah. This little black gingham swimsuit. I think it'll look cute with the red and the black. Okay, so that's the swimsuit we're gonna patch up. My swimsuit is all done, and this was the easiest DIY. Literally, it was just so simple to do. All you needed was your swimsuit, some patches, and an iron. So simple. This is what the little top looks like. It's so fun. I love it. I truly love it. Just so cute. I cannot wait to wear it. And then the bottoms are just so simple and cute. They say I love me. So cute. So obsessed. Just so cute. I have a bunch of patches left. Let me know what I should do with them. Like what DIY I should do with them. Just give me some ideas. I'm thinking of maybe putting them on a bag. Or, I don't know. Give me some ideas if you guys have any ideas. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm so excited with how the DIYs turned out. I hope you guys try them out. Let me know if you like them. Let me know if you're going to try them out. Let me know what other DIYs I should do next. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!